Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to empty trash on AOL Mail. If you've been using AOL Mail for a while, you may have accumulated some clutter in your trash folder. So you can clean it up in just few simple steps. To get started, open the AOL Mail application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your account as well. Now, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom left-hand corner. Once you tap on it, you should see this expanded menu. Now, in the pop-up, tap on Trash. You will want to select all the emails you want to permanently delete. To do so, click on this little circle at the top left to select a certain email categorized in days. After you select that, you can tap on the Delete button at the bottom left. In order to delete selected emails from your trash. Doing this will permanently delete all the selected emails from your trash folder. Remember to regularly empty your trash folders to keep your AOL Mail account organized and free from unnecessary clutters. That is how you can easily empty trash on AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.